We're going to be making some burritos today. At least Max and I are going to have a burrito. Tammy's going to have a burrito bowl. Right here we got about 3 pounds of cut up sirloin, top sirloin. Right here we've got a couple nice red bell peppers. We've got some tortillas. One thing I don't have on the grill right now is some cilantro rice we're also going to use. And then the Habanero Rotel and Velveeta is what we're going to use to make our queso. We'll use half a brick of this Velveeta to 1 can of Rotel. If you don't like it really spicy, you can go with regular or mild Rotel. This is the hot with the habaneros. I'm going to cut up these bell peppers and preheat the flat top, and we'll get going. Oh, people often comment, you didn't heat up your tortillas. I typically heat my tortillas up off camera on the grill here, just so you know. They do get heated up before I roll the burrito. We'll also, to season this, I love using this Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. I know it's not Mexican seasoning, but it goes so good on steak that it adds a nice taste to the burritos. We'll be back. Right there we got our cut up sirloin. Let's check the temperature of the grill. About just under 4. I'm going to put some Wagyu beef tallow on the grill. Let it melt here. Again, a little of Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. This stuff is so good on steak. We'll come back as this gets cooked. Getting closer to being done. Oh, this is good. All right, our meat is done. I'm going to throw a little bit of more Wagyu beef tallow on there. And we're going to throw our diced red peppers. We're going to hit those with some SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. We'll be back. See, our peppers are almost done. We've got our queso in the process of melting. Again, that's 1 can of habanero hot Rotel mixed with half a brick of Velveeta. Just heating up my tortilla right now. back. Alright, so far I got a layer of Mexican cheese and rice down on there. Alright, we now got my steak and red peppers on there, and I'm going to put some queso on it. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to roll the perfect burrito. Take the sides, you do this, you're going to take the back, and you pull it all the way up to the front. That's the trick. You don't roll it, you pull it up to the front. And then you tuck this in, pull it towards you, tuck that in, make it look nice and even. We'll roll these little corners in. There's the perfect burrito. Now just a moment, I'm going to show you a little trick I learned. You take your burrito and you roll it in some aluminum foil like they do at Chipotle. And you let it sit. You let it sit in here like this for 5 minutes or so. It allows all the meat and juices and stuff to kind of coalesce and come together, and it makes the burrito a lot better tasting. We'll be back when I sample it. Alright, let's unroll her. Look at that thing of beauty. Oh! Well, let's give her a try. The sweet peppers always come out really good when paired with the Habanero queso. So good. I always hate it in cooking videos when people don't take a bite of their stuff. One more. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't want to talk with my mouth full. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when our new videos come out. Bye for myself, my perpetually beautiful wife behind the camera.
Bye, guys.
See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.